The W-9 tax form is a crucial document used by the Internal Revenue Service to gather information about individuals and businesses that provide services to other companies. In this guide, we will explain the purpose and content of the W-9 tax form and provide practical examples to help you understand how it works. First, let's start with the basics. The W-9 tax form, also known as the Request for Taxpayer Identification Number and Certification, is used to collect information about a taxpayer's identity, including their name, address, and taxpayer identification number. This information is used to report income and taxes to the IRS. The W-9 tax form typically includes the following information: the taxpayer's name and business name, address, taxpayer identification number, which can be a social security number or employer identification number, and certification that the taxpayer is a U.S. person or a foreign person. To complete a W-9 tax form, you will need to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fill out the form. Start by entering your name and business name. Then provide your address and taxpayer identification number. Next, check the appropriate box to certify your tax classification, such as individual, sole proprietor, or single-member limited liability company. It's essential to note that the W-9 tax form is not submitted to the IRS. Instead, it is provided to the company or individual that is requesting your services. This company will use the information on the W-9 tax form to complete a 1099 MISC form, which reports the income paid to you during the tax year. In addition to providing information about your tax identity, the W-9 tax form also serves as a certification that you are not subject to backup withholding. Backup withholding is a procedure where the payer withholds a portion of the payment and sends it to the IRS on behalf of the payee. To avoid backup withholding, you must provide a correct taxpayer identification number and certify that you are not subject to backup withholding. If you fail to provide a correct taxpayer identification number or certify that you are not subject to backup withholding, the payer may be required to withhold a portion of the payment. In conclusion, the W-9 tax form is an essential document that provides critical information about a taxpayer's identity and certification. By understanding the purpose and content of the W-9 tax form, you can ensure that you provide accurate and up-to-date information to companies that request your services. Remember to always review and update your W-9 tax form regularly to avoid any potential issues with the IRS.